I'm not sure how well this is going to show up in the video because it's quite dark, but this is a concrete block compost bin. Got some bits of plastic that went in there. I'm just emptying this out, and I've got the greenhouses on top here, the compost heated greenhouses. But at the bottom here, there's a plastic trunking, like for electrical sort of conduit, surface mounted trunking, I think. And then there's a rodent mesh or the air brick protector there, stainless steel. And then there's this plastic air brick duct, which is sort of a S-shaped duct. So that comes out that way, drops down, and then it goes under the void underneath the compost bin. On the grid you can see there is actually a plastic pallet, and then I've got a galvanised mesh on top. So the idea is there's airflow from above ground there, and then that just sort of helps the compost bin prevents it from going anaerobic and sort of sitting in a sort of waterlogged puddle at the bottom. So this is actually a few inches below ground level, so it's probably dug down about a foot, and then there's bricks and things underneath that. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to lift up the galvanised mesh, because when this compost bin was dug out, it was on clay, and surprisingly the clay was relatively untouched from all the sort of years composting on top. And I think that was because it was sort of anaerobic conditions. So I don't know if it's made any difference, but having the mesh there, water will sort of percolate down through the compost into that surface layer of clay, and because it's kept aerated, I just wondered if it's broken down a little bit more. So I'll take the mesh off, and then I'll do another video just to show you what's happened.